gems. How are you guys doing today? It's a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'm glad you guys are with me. Hi, I'm Sanav. We do DIYs and lifestyle, fashion, thrifting, and motivation. And we just have fun over here on our channel. And so I hope that you will join our little gems team. So welcome all of our beautiful gems, new and old. Thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to hit that subscription button and hit the notification bell so you'll be sure to get all of the amazing videos that we put out, and you can watch them as soon as they come out, hot off the presses. Well, I want to say thank you so much to Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home for hosting this collab today. And it is a challenge to get rid of, in a one box challenge, so hosting this challenge to get rid of some of the items in our home. And so I'm going to do that again today. I'm going to do get rid of some things that I know really need to go, things that we don't use anymore. And so if you want to see all of the things that are peeking out of this box already that I'm getting rid of, and so I can go into the new year happy and blessed and excited and ready for abundance and goodness to come to me. Stay tuned. Alrighty, well, so I've been going through some things in our house, and I've been noticing that we're holding on to stuff that we really just don't need. And so I had already been getting bags and different things together, and so I'm going to get rid of some things, I guess, with you guys right here on camera. I mean, you guys are family, right? And the first thing is these boots. I thrifted these boots, and I absolutely love them. They are comfortable. They are awesome. I mean, they're just really, let's see, what are they? They're Bluefish and by Malibu, and so they're really comfortable. But these things just don't work well with me. And so even though they're comfortable, for some reason they just don't work well with me. And so, yep, they gotta go. I'm not going to pull out the doubles on everything, but I have had these shoes for so dang long. Look at these shoes. They're cute. I mean, they're not even like a color anymore. Like, look at the white. Like, it's turning yellow. This is Bluefin. It's a 7.5. I'm getting rid of this. I'm not going to bring out the double to it, but this is probably not even going to be donated. This is probably going to go to the garbage, guys. Where's my garbage can anyway? Yeah, I like my garbage can. I painted it gold. So it's going to go into the garbage can. Alright, this, I love these shoes. I love these shoes. This is Incline Sport is what it is. Alright. These are so cute. I love these shoes. This would go good with the outfit I have on today. But I got these from Dillard's. And so, and I do have both pair. But, you wear shoes after a while and they just don't fit on your foot pretty good anymore. So yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye. Alright. Alright, I'm getting rid of these boots. Girl, I love these boots. Yeah, but they got this skinny heel. And I'm not even getting old, but I am getting mature. So, no, I won't be wearing these anymore. And honestly, on these guys, this is the truth. I really can't even find the other boot. So it's outside somewhere. But anyway, and it was a size 9. What was I doing wearing a size 9? Because I wear a size 8. But you can see I'm wearing. I don't know. I thrifted this purse. Why I thrifted this? And I thrifted this year. You know, I do not like straw purses. But this thing, I might donate this or try to put this up on eBay for sale. But I really was attracted to this thing right here. And I think if I don't know, I don't think I'll sell it. I think I'll just take this off and keep this and put it as a planner charm on my planner. Because I like little dinglies like this, and maybe as a purse charm. And so, yeah, that's probably what I'm going to do there. These, I do have the other shoe to this. These are Rouge. I thought they were, I've thrifted them and I thought they were Tory Burch. So make sure you're paying attention, guys. Because they're very similar. And I actually passed up on the real Tory Burch pair to get these because these looked better. And, you know, they were nicer, newer. And ended up, they're not Tory Burch. But for some reason, this thing, I've washed them and done everything. I've sprayed them with disinfectant. But this thing itches me in my, in between my toes. So, hubby said they got to go. Alrighty. I've been holding on to this stuff right here to do some DIYs. I ain't fixing to do, no, I'm not fixing to do that. And I got a whole bag of them, look. Over here, a whole bag of them. And I had some paper towel holders too. So, they're going. These are going because I was going to do a DIY. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. No. So that's that. And not this. This is for something else. You'll see that again. In my second decluttering. So watch out for my second decluttering. I'm actually gonna do it today as well. So so watch out for that. And then the last thing that I have are these towels. You probably saw my refresh of my organization of my linen closet. So I'm going to leave a link below to the linen closet so that you guys can check out how I refreshed our linen closet, and also the haul that I did from Burlington in Walmart where I purchased new towels. So yeah, I'm getting rid of these towels, and I bagged these up. But hubby keeps going in the bag. So today, they're going in the garbage. He was like, I ain't ready to use the new towels yet. I'm going to get you, boo. So yeah. So these are going. All of this. In fact, yeah. I have 2 bags of these. So I'm just going to show you one bag. This whole big bag is going. Going. Alright guys, well, I mean, I did a lot of work over here with this big old bag. So, here you go. I did a whole bunch of work with this big old bag. So, I think I nailed it. Alright guys, hope you guys are decluttering. In 2018 is the beginning of the year. We're going into spring, and so I hope you guys are decluttering and you getting rid of all the things that you don't need in your home. And so when you get rid of the things that you don't need in your home, then it opens you up to receive more things in your life. More good things, more amazing things can happen. So let go of whatever's weighing you down, whatever you keep stumbling over. We don't want to carry all these bags. We can't carry all these bags anymore, ladies. So we want to get rid of all the things that are weighing us down in 2018, because in 2018, baby, we're going to soar. All right. Well, thank you so much, beautiful gems, for joining me today. Know how much I love you. Love you so much. And know how amazing and how talented and how beautiful and how wonderful and how powerful you are, because you really are. And know how much I love you. I love you over here on this channel. And if nobody else is telling you how much they love you, you can hear it right here over here on this channel, because I love you, boo. I love you so much. Beautiful, amazing, wonderful gem. All right. You guys have a wonderful day and enjoy yourselves. Bye-bye, guys.